Stepsons, what's the first thing you should do in the morning when you get up? If you're like me, it's go to the bathroom. But this video is about how to make your bed. After you've been to the bathroom, before you go and leave your room in the morning, make sure you make your bed. In the morning, when you get out of bed, making the bed is actually not that hard. Let me show you how to do it. When you just get out of bed and all you've done is sleep in it, then really all you need to do is straighten out the sheets. Take the pillow off, straighten the fitted sheet, make sure it's snug, pull up, and you can do this together, the sheet and the blanket if you have a blanket on top of your sheet. If not, just pull up the sheet, make that smooth. If you need to tuck it in again because you've been sleeping in it, then tuck it in at the bottom. And do it all along the edge. And once you've got it all straightened up, just put your pillow back on and you're good to go. Not hard at all. When you've done it, you're going to like it. Now when you come into your room for the rest of the day, the bed will be made, it'll look good, and you'll feel better. Now you know how to make your bed if it's a twin and it's up against the wall. Let me show you real fast how you do it if your bed is away from the wall on both sides. It's a lot easier. First of all, I'll get the pillows off. Hopefully your floor's clean. Now, the fitted sheet, pull that and tuck it. Make sure it's good and snug all around. Easy to do because you can get to all of the edges. Take the flat sheet, pull it flush up to the top. If you need to, tuck it in on the bottom. Okay, the way you do this corner here is you hold it up out like that and then tuck it in here under the mattress, and so that when it's done you can see a snug fit here and it's kind of got a beveled edge here as it comes down. Take the blanket that you have on top. I've got a tag here, I want that by the feet and on the bottom side. Put the pillows back on. Don't forget the teddy bear. That's how you do it on a bed that you can access on both sides. Stepsons, now you know how to make your bed when you get up in the morning. Do it every day. You'll feel better about yourself, your room will look better, you'll feel better. So just do it. Remember, it's one of the steps on the Map to Manhood, and you can download the Map to Manhood at maptomanhood.org. You will get to the point where you need to change your sheets once in a while. Watch this video so you know how to change your sheets all the way, strip your bed down and put new sheets, clean sheets on. Always remember, you can still succeed even though your dad may not be in your daily life. And you do have a dad that loves you, because I love you. And I'll see you on the next video.